Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I am going to show you how to make homemade face cream using oats, which is very good for all skin types and all skin conditions. As you all know, oats is very good for your health. In addition to this, oatmeal is used for skin and beauty needs because it can soak up excess oil on your skin and help treat acne. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help treat dry skin and remove dead skin cells. Oats also contain compounds called saponins, which are natural cleansers. They remove dirt, oil, and other impurities that clog the pores and exfoliate your skin. Step make oats cream is to make oats milk. For that, I'll be taking 1 cup of oats and I'm going to grind it in a dry mixer jar into a smooth powder. Oats can be easily purchased online or you can buy it in any grocery store, which is easily available. So after grinding, I have got 1 cup of oats powder. This is also called oatmeal. This is very good for your skin. It is fine powder which you can easily exfoliate. So to make the oats milk, first you'll have to add boiling hot water into this and mix it thoroughly. While adding, you have to see to it that there are no lumps and continue mixing until you find no lumps and cover it with a lid and leave it for a few minutes. After it settles down, you have to strain it using a strainer. I am taking 2 tablespoons of this oat milk and I'm going to strain it so that I remove the excess lump and get a smooth and fine liquid oats milk. So the extra oats, whatever you use there, you did not throw it. You can use it as a porridge or you can use it as a face pack or also hair mask also. If you want to know how I do that, you can comment in the comment section below. So I have got 2 tablespoons of this oats milk. So this is the oats which is remaining, which I'm going to use it as a face mask or hair mask. So the next step would be to include the other ingredients. So those are the first ingredients. What I'll be using is the beeswax, 1 tablespoon. If you don't have beeswax, you can also use mango butter or cocoa butter or any butter which will make the cream thick and soft. I'm using beeswax so that it gives texture to the cream. Next, I'll be using rose water. Rose water helps to maintain the pH balance of the skin. There are various benefits of it. And next, I'll be using aloe vera gel. If I'm using colorless aloe vera gel, you can also use anything which you prefer. And then glycerin, which acts as a humectant. It helps to minimize the water loss due to evaporation. And then the baby oil, which I like. So most of you wouldn't like this baby oil, so I don't recommend. If you don't like it, you can use coconut oil or olive oil or any almond oil or any face oil which suits your skin. So the method would be to melt the beeswax, or if you are taking cocoa butter or shea butter, whatever butter, you have to melt along with the baby oil or the face oil which you are using. Here I am taking half a teaspoon of beeswax and 2 tablespoons of the baby oil which suits my skin. That is why I am using. If you don't like it, please skip this and use your any substitute favorite face oil. First I'll have to melt this using a double boiler method. I have used a double boiler method in other videos. You can check it out how to do it. Here I've already did it and I've left it to cool. So after cooling, it almost thickens because of the beeswax. And then I have to add other ingredients. First I'm taking 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and then I'll add rose water into it, 1 teaspoon. Then I have to add glycerin and the oats milk which I just made. So I am using 2 teaspoons of oats milk. This is very good for your skin. It penetrates into your skin and giving it a very moisturized look. You can use this during the daytime or during the night time, whenever you prefer. It is good for all skin types, all skin conditions. It reduces itchiness, it reduces sunburn, suntan, and there are various other benefits also. So after putting all the ingredients, you have to give it a good mix, thorough mix, using a fork or a spoon, or even you can use a egg beater to make a smooth cream like this. Since I am making really too little cream, I am using this fork. You can always make cream of lesser quantity and keep it in the refrigerator so that you can use it quickly and remake it. So I have got one small container of the cream which I'm going to use it. While using it, I'll have to refrigerate it so that it doesn't spoil. This cream can be used in many different ways. It can be used as a massage cream while making facial, and it can be used for skin irritation, and also it can be used for cream like a sunburn cream. Suppose if you come to the house with the sunburn, you can use this cream, apply it on your face, and give it a smooth slight massage, and leave it for few minutes. This is very good for your skin, and they're very good for all skin types. So if you like this, please like, share, comment. Thanks for watching.